2008 was a year that changed history for Tibet. Many said the resistance was over, that another uprising would never happen. Then came March 10th, when monks took to the streets in Lhasa. Then came March 14th, Tibetans took to the streets in all 3 provinces. Nuns and monks, students and teachers, children and parents, farmers and nomads. They united for freedom. They raised their voices for justice. They showed spectacular courage. Heads held high, flags held aloft. They redrew the borders China had tried to erase. They reignited the resistance for another 100 years. 10 years later, we raise our voices to say, we are awake. We are moving forward in that same spirit of unity and strength. We will never forget. We will never give up until Tibet is free.
Tôi là em cô